If YouTube TV is tied to the wrong billing country, you may face issues with pricing, payment methods, or channel availability. Here's how to change your billing country step by step. Step 1. Open YouTube TV on a web browser and sign in to your account. Step 2. Click your profile icon, then go to Settings and open Billing and Payments. Step 3. Look for billing country or payment settings. Keep in mind that YouTube TV officially supports billing only within the United States. To change your billing country, you must use a valid payment method from that country. Step 4. Update your payment method. For U.S. billing, you must add a U.S.-based credit card, debit card, or PayPal account. Step 5. Enter the correct billing address associated with the new payment method. Make sure the address matches the card or PayPal account information you provide. Step 6. Save the changes and restart the YouTube TV app on your devices. Your updated billing details should now appear in your account. Step 7. If errors continue, contact YouTube TV support. They can help verify your payment method and confirm whether your billing update was successful. Changing your billing country ensures the correct pricing, channel availability, and uninterrupted access to your YouTube TV subscription. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.